Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be giving a Shelly Art Recipe Bloom style spin with my hexagon canvas. We've got regular house paint right out of the can. That's going to be the base. My cell activator colors is the Amsterdam white, titanium white, and the Amsterdam's turquoise blue. So those are my two cell activator colors. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me, all your comments and all your thumbs up. Keep them coming. I love every single thing I read, so I so much appreciate all of you. Thank you. Other colors I'm using is the Portage Posse paints. This one is Carolina Blue Shimmer. That's this guy right over here. Now this is from Christina Welch. Go and check out her channel. Greg will put a link in the description for you. Go to her Etsy store and buy some of her paints. They're just awesome. Love them. Okay, I've also got pigments mixed up. I've got Color Arts Primary Elements. Just a quick rundown of some colors. I've got Marigold. We've got Palazzo Blue. I've got Bellagio Blue and Apple Rose. So those are the pigments from the Color Art series. And then my favorite pigments of all time, the Little Piggies. Just love these guys. We've got Rose Quartz I just got in and Lemon Sorbet. So I just mixed up those two. And Lakeside is one of my favorites I use all the time. I also have put aside some Macaw as well, which is a newer color. And I think I've pretty much covered all of the color bases, so there we go. Let's get started and have some fun. Let me put this aside, which I don't have a lot of room to put all these guys. I'll put these guys off to the side here. They should be fine. All right. Let's get rolling with a painting, shall we? Thanks again, everyone, for joining me. Hun, hit the music. Let's have some fun.
Say that they've seen the future. No one can. You're not the designer of this plan. So despondent. Time and time again, I'm deprived of any sanguine. So I don't believe I'll be in love again, in love again, in love again. 'Cause everyone tells me, but I don't believe I'll be in love again. Love again, in love again. Provide any validation. Perhaps I'll reassess my situation. But until then, I won't believe I'll be in love again. In love again, in love again. 'Cause everyone tells me, but I don't believe I'll be in love again. Love again. drinking coffee on my balcony. Trees are dancing to the whistle of the wind. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. When it's dark, light my way. Bless my heart, Lord, bless my day. I had a hard time, but you've always been around. Please don't leave me, Lord, stay around. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. I've got it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. I've got it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. I've got it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. I've got it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. Lord, I'm thankful for everything.
Looked into the music, dangling to the beat, smiling distant strangers winking on my feet. Then I see the moonlight sparkling in your eyes. Oh, my body's frozen and my soul's on fire. Just follow me, baby, pulling at me with a foxy move. Gently come over. My body's a boat sailing through the wind. We keep moving, can hear the way our hearts are singing through music. We get closer as the bass keep pushing. Our lips are nearing and our pulse is cruising. You feel them too, the inner vibes. Our keys are locked and our hearts go wild. Down the dark, just feel my eyes. I lost the trace of my moonchild, of my moonchild, of my moonchild, of my moonchild. and their hearts go wild. Down the dark, just feel my eyes. I love